Thanks for your valuable time shared with us, Sarkar Nakore Express. Here you can get a regular verified job updates. In this video, we are going to see the recruitment process for Junior Research Fellowship and then a Research Associate. These posts have been called by DRDE, that is Defense Research and Development Establishment, which is coming under the DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. So by watching the video, you will get to know the details about the emoluments for the two posts, that is Junior Research Fellowship and then the Research Associate. So how much years the fellowship will be provided, and then whether you will be upgraded with a Senior Research Fellowship or not, and what is the age criteria for applying this particular post, and in what subject specification you need to hold your degree. So either the degree has to be only in the level of UG, or you should have a PG or PhD, and you should need to have either the NEET score or GATE score, and the subject specific degree like PE, ME or MSc, in which subjects the post have been called for. Everything you will be know by watching this video. So without further delay, let us get into the details. So this is the official notification issued by DRDE. So in DRDO, the Junior Research Fellowship post has been called for, as well as the own fellowship has also been awarded. So let us see the subject specific qualifications as well as the eligibility criteria, and when the interview date was, and what was the age criteria. So for DRDO Junior Research Fellowship, so there was about 5 posts, and with the subject specific of a biology stream. Okay, or you should have zoology, biotechnology, molecular biology, microbiology, pharmacology, toxicology, immunology, or okay, in the subject specific you need to have the MSc degree, and apart from that you need to have either a GATE score or a NET score, National Eligibility Test, or a GATE score. So this has been prescribed by the CSIR UGC. So and the interview for this particular subject streams are taking place on 9th, okay, December 9th, and the age criteria is that you have to be within 28 years of age while attending the interview, that is on December 9th. You should not have completed 28 years of age. This is applicable to all the posts have been called under the Junior Research Fellowship program. So the next subject specific is chemistry stream. So you should have the MSc degree. So in physical, analytical, organic, inorganic streams, and you should have the NET, National Eligibility Test, or a GATE score. So the date of interview for this particular post was 10th, and the age criteria is as same as previous. So in the next which is for BE Tech candidates and ME Tech candidates. So here the subject specific is textile or polymer science or polymer chemistry. So you need to have the GATE or a NET score for the UG candidates. So when it comes to PG in engineering, you should have the subject specific stream of same subject, but you to have the first class graduation level as well as post graduation level marks. There is no need of a GATE or NET scores for the PG candidates. Kindly make note of these differences. So the same qualification for the own fellowship also, with the same subject specific streams as we seen before, and the interview date also same for the subject specific streams. So for research associate post, there is only one vacancy, and you should be having the PhD in biological stream. So the area of research will be under this specified streams like zoology, biotechnology, molecular biology, microbiology, pharmacology, immunology, and toxicology. So the experience in the respective field is preferred. So if you having a year experience in this particular subjects, then you will be having higher chances of getting recruited as the research associate. So the age criteria is 35 years, and the date of interview was December 10th. So the scale of pay for the Junior Research Fellowship program was about 31,000, with the human rent allowance as well as medical facilities will be provided, and for research associate it is 54,000 along with HRA as well as medical allowances. So the age limit will be relaxed by 3 years for OBC and 5 years for SC ST. So the Junior Research Fellowship, which is having a maximum of 5 years, will be provided, and for research associate it is of 2 years maximum. So the reporting time for the interview is about 9:30 a.m. during your date of interview at DRDE Laboratory, which is located in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so let me attach this PDF in a description box as well as in the first comment so that you can download and apply for the post. Last but not the least, the important section is that during the interview time you need to produce your original certificates, testimonials for verification purposes. So kindly share the video with your friends who is in need of job with the eligible qualification. Thanks for watching.